Imagine walking into a room and people feel something special about you even before you speak. They sense confidence, clarity, and prosperity radiating from you. This isn't magic. This is the invisible energy you carry, your aura. And just like a muscle, you can train it. In this video, you'll discover how to shape your inner energy so that opportunities, abundance, and success naturally flow toward you. Stay with me until the end, because the final principle will tie everything together and give you a tool you can use right away. Most people chase wealth by running harder, working longer, or pushing themselves into exhaustion. Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich, wrote that success begins inside your mind and emotions long before it shows up in your bank account. The aura you carry, the energy of your thoughts, feelings, and actions, is like a signal you broadcast. When your inner signal is strong, clear, and aligned with abundance, it acts like a magnet. The first step in training your aura is awareness. Spend a few minutes every morning noticing your thoughts about money and success. Are they filled with doubt, fear, and scarcity, or do they carry confidence, gratitude, and expectation? Your aura amplifies whatever you feed it. Replace self-limiting thoughts with empowering ones. Instead of saying, "I'll never make it," start affirming, "I am preparing myself for the opportunities that will change my life." This simple mental shift, done consistently, starts to clean the energy you project. Next, practice emotional mastery. Wealth does not flow to a mind that is in chaos. Take time each day to breathe deeply, calm your nervous system, and focus on gratitude. Gratitude expands your aura. When you are sincerely thankful for what you already have, your energy opens. This isn't superstition, it's psychology. People are naturally drawn to those who are centered, grateful, and confident. They trust you, want to work with you, and offer you opportunities. Third, take purposeful action. An aura trained for wealth is not passive. It radiates decisiveness. Every day, pick one small but meaningful step that moves you toward your goals. Call someone, learn a new skill, finish a task you've been avoiding. Each action builds self-trust. Self-trust strengthens your aura because you begin to carry the vibration of someone who does what they say. Opportunities respond to that energy. Fourth, surround yourself with uplifting environments. The people you spend time with, the content you consume, and the spaces you inhabit all imprint on your aura. Reduce time with those who constantly complain or drain your enthusiasm. Fill your mind with ideas, conversations, and images of growth. Even your posture matters. Stand tall, make eye contact, and breathe fully. These small changes teach your body and mind to project strength. Fifth, practice generosity. It may seem counterintuitive when you're trying to attract wealth, but generosity trains your aura to believe in abundance. When you give time, encouragement, knowledge, or even money within your means, you send a signal to your subconscious that there is enough. This signal softens fear and scarcity. A generous person's aura feels open, magnetic, and trustworthy. Sixth, hold a clear vision of the life you want. Write it down. See yourself living it. Feel the emotions of already having it. Your aura responds to vivid mental pictures. The more detailed and emotionally charged your vision, the more powerful your energy becomes. You start to act, speak, and decide like the person who already has that life. That consistency is what draws circumstances into alignment. Finally, be patient but persistent. Training your aura is not a one-day exercise. It's a lifestyle. Just as you wouldn't expect to build a strong body from one workout, you can't build a powerful aura overnight. But each positive thought, each calm breath, each decisive action adds a layer of strength and clarity to your presence. Over time, you become someone whose very being attracts opportunities, resources, and allies. As you keep watching, let each idea sink in. Imagine yourself practicing these steps, waking up with a calm mind, choosing empowering thoughts, acting with confidence, surrounding yourself with supportive energy, and giving generously. Picture the quiet transformation of your aura, from scattered and dim to bright and focused. This is the inner work behind outer success. This is how you become the person Napoleon Hill described, someone whose belief and action create riches. So, watch until the end of this video, because your journey to abundance starts not with money, but with the invisible power you carry right now. When you train your aura, you're not just changing your energy, you're changing your future. If you're ready to step into that future, hit the like button and subscribe now to start living the abundance you deserve.